Houston is still a great place to call home. And with more families spending more time at home, now more than ever is the perfect time to design a home of your dreams. Hi everyone, my name is Verna with the Real Life Group at Keller Williams Southwest. I'm out here in Missouri City so I can show you a custom home that if you can dream it, you can design it. So let's go take a look. Bringing in the transitional elements and design from outside inside. I just love how this builder took the time to add architectural detail to each space as you transition from one side to the next. Wow, take a look at this designed kitchen with custom handcrafted cabinetry from 𝐑𝐄𝐋, Fisher & Paykel appliances. This is a kitchen to die for. Take a look at this expansive island. I love when you can entertain straight from the kitchen. A deep kitchen sink, and who wouldn't want an 8-burner stove? Designed with the chef in mind with these soft close drawers and then a built-in canister rack for your utensils. I think you're cooking tonight. You call yourself a clothes connoisseur, do you? Well, this 11-foot with custom design closetry is ready and perfect for any clothes connoisseur's dreams. Not only does it do that, but it flows right into your owner's retreat with this lovely seamless glass shower, a spa tub, and double vanity to provide each person with their own personal space. Guests fighting over bathroom space? No more. When you design your space, you can have every bedroom with its own private ensuite bathroom. This 5-bedroom, 6.5 bathroom and flex space is located in the Missouri City area, sitting on 4,800 square feet. The transitional design with painted brick exterior and cedar accents makes you want to really call this home. Walk into a very open space, high ceilings, and loads of natural light. All right, it's time to make your dream a reality. Let's get connected with this custom builder. You can give me a call at 281-658-7012. All right, it's Verna with the Real Life Group at Keller Williams Southwest here in the greater Houston area. And as always, I'm encouraging you to go out the rest of this week experiencing real life.